Welcome back to Trupti's Revive Nutrition. Well, I know I haven't uploaded any video recently, but because of some commitments, I couldn't make up for that. So, I'm back with some amazing topic for you and great information for you. So, when we talk about good health or obesity, weight gain, medical condition, metabolic disease, diabetes, hypertension, and so on, the first thing that kicks our mind is metabolism. We all want to know what is metabolism and how we can keep it high. Metabolism is nothing but, so in this video we'll be understanding what is metabolism and what are the tips to keep your metabolism high. Metabolism is the amount of calories or the energy burned by the body for carrying out the vital functions of the body. So metabolism has two components, anabolism and catabolism. In simple language, if I say anabolism means build up, something to make, like how the body makes your muscles, your bones, your nerve connection, blood circulation and everything. And catabolism means breakdown. As you age, your bone starts getting breaking down, your bone starts getting degrading, you start losing your muscles, you start losing your elasticity on your skin and so on. So aging is a natural process and catabolism will happen, but because of the lifestyle we are living, because of many other habits like smoking, alcohol, too much of refined foods, lack of physical exercise, lack of sleep can really lower down your anabolism and boost up your catabolism way before it's required. So that is why we need to take care to keep our anabolism high to lead a good healthy life. And how we can boost it, let's understand that. Number one is having a wholesome diet. Yes, wholesome itself means a complete balanced diet, which should include a good carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. So include whole grains, include a lot of protein foods in your diet, because protein takes a lot of time to digest and that requires a lot of energy to burn, which is making your metabolism high. So include protein in every meal. Also include fruits and vegetables for good fiber. Make sure your diet contains a good amount of B vitamins. B vitamins really plays a great role in kicking up your metabolism. So include more of eggs, bananas, spinach, fortified orange juice, baked potato, whole grains to boost your vitamin B vitamins intake. Number two is physical exercise. Lack of activity, we all know that it really creates a headache in the body. So, but doing only one set of exercise is also not good. You have to keep changing your set of workouts. So include a little bit of cardio, little bit of strength workout, little bit of yoga, little bit of flexibility, functional training, little bit of high intensity workout. So do a combination of exercise to keep your metabolism high. Number three is sleep. The lack of sleep or the poor quality of the sleep really impacts your metabolism or anabolism process. So make sure you get a good quality sleep and you are sleeping for enough adequate hours. Number four is stress. We all know the stress is the part and parcel of life, but we need to learn how to manage stress. You can manage your stress with yoga, meditation, doing any other task or doing anything to release down your anxiety and worries and your stress. Because too much of stress for a long time creates an increase in the cortisol hormone, which impacts your metabolism process. Number five is water. We usually neglect the water intake. We do a lot of diet, lot of exercise, lot of superfoods and so many things. But water is free and we need to take care of it. We need to have an adequate amount of water because dehydrated body really impacts the metabolism, because when your body is dehydrated, the body cannot carry the regular functions of digestion, elimination, detoxification, circulation and all the process. So have adequate amount of water. Another point is having green tea. Yes, research have proved that 2 to 3 cups of green tea really increases your metabolism, because of the presence of the compound catechin in that. So you can have about 2 to 3 cups of green tea in a day. Our Indian food has a lot of spices. We can make the food attractive and palatable with a lot of spices like cinnamon, ginger, garlic, clove, green chili pepper, red chili pepper. These hot garam masala, these hot spices really boost up your metabolism. So try to include such spices in your meals. And the last one is having a small frequent meals. and have adequate calories. if you are going on a very low, extremely low calorie diet, it will impact your metabolism. It will make your metabolism low, anabolism low. So you need to have a good amount of adequate calories. So talk to an expert for these things, and also make sure you are having in small meals. Like you are not keeping a long gap between the meals. So keep a gap of just 3 to 4 hours maximum between your meals, and you are, after 4 hours your body is ready for the next meal. Yeah. So try to focus on these points if you really want to lose your weight or gain your weight, or you want to work on your medical condition like thyroid, PCOD and so on, diabetes, hypertension. Then focus on these factors and it will really show you a great results. Yeah, I hope this video was informative and you liked it. Please share it to as many people as you can, because this topic is very simple but very effective. If anyone start working on these factors, you can see a lot of results in your entire health. Yeah. So till our next video, have a great day ahead. Eat smart, exercise enough and sleep deep. Thank you so much.